Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can make DuckDuckGo your default browser on your computer, for example, Windows 10 or Windows 11 in 2026. So let us dive into this. So guys, in the first step, launch DuckDuckGo browser on your desktop computer or laptop. And in the second step, click into these three lines in the top right. From there, either choose this option here at the top, set DuckDuckGo as default browser, or alternately navigate to your browser settings here at the bottom. Here in your browser settings, take a look at that panel to the left, and here at the very top you will see default browser. So to enable this, click into it and click into this button here. After that, you will be redirected to your browser settings, to your default browser settings on your desktop computer and your operating system. As you can see, my operating system's language is currently not English, but I'm going to guide you through this. So here you will see the default web browser, which is for me currently set to Google Chrome. Click into it, select DuckDuckGo from that list. That's it. Now I'm going to keep DuckDuckGo, but Google Chrome, but that's how it works. After that, this suggestion here will disappear and DuckDuckGo will be the default browser. So whenever you perform any actions on your desktop computer that requires access to a default browser, like, I don't know, opening a specific tab or website or URL, your desktop computer or your operating system will automatically navigate to DuckDuckGo and open it. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.